how are we getting on? Welcome to El Cotillo here on the northwest of Fuertaventura in the Canary Islands. I'm standing in the football pitch right now because my friend Tig is practicing American football kicking, which is perhaps the most random thing that has ever happened on this pitch here. But here he is, he's teeing one up. How's this shot going to go, Tig?
Ooh, my first shot of the day on camera.
But I guess you're not watching this video to see American football, so let's go stroll around El Cotillo and he'll catch up with us in a bit. Let's go. Give it a like. Walked out to the south of the town now to see if I can see some surfers, because you know, this whole island in general, Fuerteventura, is very popular with surfing, windsurfing, kite surfing, and I've got the FPV drone in the bag, so hopefully we can get some cool shots. But the population of El Cotillo is about 1,300 people. Until the 1980s it depended almost entirely on fishing for its economy, but now since the 80s tourism has been a large part of their economy as well. So I'm standing at a bit of a vantage point here looking over Playa del Castillo. There's plenty of surf schools there, so people learning how to surf. There's some people windsurfing and kite surfing way in the distance. I'm going to fly the drone right now and see if we can get any cool shots. During some naval activity back in 2004, they ended up killing 3 beaked whales. They started washing up, 2 here and 1 in Lanzarote. And now for some bizarre reason they put the skeletal remains of one of them there to remind themselves, I guess, of the incident. And now they're only allowed to conduct those activities, those naval exercises, I guess, within 50 meters, 50 nautical miles even, of the Canary Islands. During the 15th century, El Cotillo became an important port and led to the construction of multiple forts to defend the island from North Africa. Castillo de El Tostón is the most famous one, and over time has become a historical, architectural and cultural landmark of the town. Right, Tig has rejoined and we're just going to walk into the town centre, which isn't far because the whole place is tiny. Tig, what's your favourite thing about El Cotillo?
I would say that it's not bombarded with tourists. The fact that it's extremely tranquil. If you look any direction around us right now, you're going to be hit with something pretty beautiful. So I'd say that, and then the fact there's not too many people, it gives you the opportunity to kind of have your own space and enjoy it. So not that the answer you expected, but it's the answer you're getting.
No, it's a good answer. And look at these art installations here. Here's a couple of fish, and there's some in Cotillo as well. I wonder if they're in any of the other towns on the island. There's a few horrible dark clouds coming in right now, so we're really hoping, fingers crossed, we're going to get a beautiful sunset, because it is amazing here. Oh look, just when I say that, the clouds are opening up and the sun is beaming on my face. How nice is that? If you do come here, there's a guy who has pigeons up at the top of that building in cages, because maybe he's still living in the dark ages, I don't know, but he's often sending messages around the Canaries via pigeons perhaps. just gone back to the apartment, grabbed some goggles, and we're going for a quick swim. But this part of the town, it's the north side. You've basically seen the middle just a moment ago. Here is like a building site. As you can see, there's just loads of nothingness. There's a big hotel there, the Cotillo Beach Hotel, and looking through the glass it does look nice. There's a pool and stuff inside, and then the rest of it is just a big building site really. But I guess that's a good thing. Come back in a few years and this will all be built up. Maybe it won't be as tranquil anymore because there'll be an influx of tourism, but I guess it's good for their economy. Can't deny that we haven't got into the water yet and it's already cold. Oh, chilly now, eh? Oh, that was fantastic. The sun is setting now. I want to get a cool shot of that, so we're going to go and watch it. Back in the apartment now, we ate in this really cool, trendy restaurant. We've been to it twice. I can't remember the name, but it's on screen right now, and you have to go there if you're in El Cotillo because, wow, it's just so affordable. The bill was only €26 for the two of us, and it was great. But anyway, I'm gonna leave that one here. It was a short one, got started late today, but it is what it is. Tomorrow I'm going to Lanzarote with Tig, and my little brother's flying from Ireland, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be fun. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe if you're not already. See you real soon. Good luck.
There you go, boys.